Reactions of aldehydes ketone with the nucleophiles. First reaction of aldehyde and ketone is the addition of hydrogen cyanide, addition of HCl, that is hydrogen cyanide. When aldehydes is reacted with a hydrogen cyanide to give a corresponding cyanohydrine, the negative part of this reagent gets added to the carbonyl carbon of the aldehydes and to forms a corresponding cyanohydrine. In this reaction, dilute acid or dilute base is used as a catalyst. This is the nothing but the addition of a nucleophile. That means what? It is the addition type of addition nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, I'll repeat that reaction. When aldehydes when aldehydes reacts with a hydrogen cyanide, aldehydes is that is reacted with the what? That is hydrogen cyanide. That aldehydes is represented is like this. That is aldehydes. This aldehydes is reacted with what? That is HCl. This is hydrogen cyanide. In that hydrogen cyanide, the hydrogen is a positively charged, and Cn is the negatively charged. This is the nucleophile. The nucleophile in this reagent is the Cn minus ions, and this Cn minus ions attack on this carbonyl carbon. That is the electrophilic carbon of the carbonyl carbon, and their formation of what? The Cn minus attack on this carbonyl carbon. This double bond will be broken, and that gets converted to the OH. Okay, that is, it gets converted to the OH, and that formation of what? That is RCCN. This double bond will be broken, and this hydrogen is a pignated. This oxygen is negatively charged, and it attack on this H plus, and it forms a what? That is OH, and this is a hydrogen. Okay, this is a cyanohydride. Okay, cyanohydride. Same reaction for the what? That is for the ketone. Okay, that is when ketone undergoes reaction with hydrogen cyanide, that times also formation of what? That is cyanohydrine, and the reaction is that is RC double bond O R dash. Instead of this hydrogen, there is a what? R dash, that is another alkyl group. It is reacted with what? That is HCl. It undergoes reaction, addition, nucleophilic addition reaction. This Cn minus attack on this carbon. This double bond will be broken, oxygen having a negatively charged, and this negatively charged oxygen attack on this hydrogen, and to forms a what? That is another cyanohydride, that is RCOH R dash. Here is a what? That is, there is a what? A Cn is here, and what? That is the R dash. This is the another cyanohydride. This is a ketone. Okay, this is a ketone, and this is a cyanohydride. This is the general reaction of the aldehyde. That is, aldehydes or ketone reacted with what? That is the hydrogen cyanide. When aldehydes and ketone are reacted with the hydrogen cyanide to give a cyanohydride, in this reaction nucleophiles, okay, the nucleophiles always attack on the what? Attack on the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde or a ketone to give a corresponding what? That is cyanohydrine. This is a what? That is the reaction of what? That is addition. Now we are going to discuss the examples of the addition of hydrogen cyanides on towards the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, this is the general reactions. Okay, example: when acetaldehydes Okay, the acetaldehyde is one of the aldehydes. Okay, where acetaldehydes reacted with what? That is hydrogen cyanides. Okay, acetaldehydes is represented by CH3 C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde. Is reacted with what? That is hydrogen cyanide. That is the hydrogen cyanide. From this hydrogen cyanide, this is the electropositive, this is electronegative, this Cn minus is nucleophile, and this undergoes addition reaction, that is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Then this Cn minus attack on this electropositive carbon atoms of the carbonyl carbon, okay, and to form a product, that is CH3. C, this Cn is attached here, that is Cn. Then this double bond will be broken and it gets converted to the OH hydrogen. Okay. Name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine. Another example, that is instead of this acetaldehyde we taken a what? A ketone. And the example of the ketone we have to taken in this example, that is acetone. When acetone is reacted with a what? Hydrogen cyanide to give a corresponding acetone cyanohydrine. Okay, and the example and the reaction is, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is acetone. This acetone is reacted with a hydrogen cyanide. The negative sign is negatively, that is charge Cn minus ions. This is the nucleophile, and this attack on this electropositive carbon atom of this carbonyl carbon of this ketone. Okay, and to form a product, that is CH3 COH CH3. Sorry, Cn, that is Cn, and here is another alkyl group, that is CH3, and the name of ketone is the what? That is acetone cyanohydrine. Acetone cyanohydrine. This is the examples of addition of hydrogen cyanides into the aldehydes as well as what? A ketone. This is the what? That is the one of the reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Next reaction, that is addition of sodium bisulfate. No doubt it is also what? That is the addition reaction towards aldehydes and ketone. That is sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO3. In that NaHCO3, that is H plus and SO3Na minus. Okay, that is SO3 minus. Okay, these are the what? This is the one of the salt, and out of this the SO3Na is attack on the carbonyl carbon of the what? Aldehydes and ketone. Okay, when aldehydes is reacted with the saturated sodium bisulfate, that is sodium bisulfate, to give a corresponding addition product, that is a sodium adduct, that is sodium bisulfate adduct we have to got in this reaction, and the reaction is, that is R C double bond OH. This is the aldehydes. These aldehydes reacted with sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO3. In that reaction, SO3Na gets attack on this carbonyl carbon of this aldehydes. Okay, because carbonyl carbon is electropositive and this SO3Na is the electronegative, and there is a formation of what? Same reaction is like this, that is the addition of hydrogen cyanide. Okay, that is RCOH. There is SO3Na, and here is what? That is aldehydic functional group. And another example we have to take on, that is ketone. That ketone is aldehydic ketone. Okay, and this ketone is what? RC double bond O R dash. It is reacted with sodium bisulfate NaHSO3. NaHSO3. This is saturated sodium bisulfate. It gets converted to the what? That is RCOH. Instead of this RH, there is a what? R, and this is the what? SO3 Na. This is the aldehydic sodium adduct. Okay, and this is a what? Another sodium adduct, sodium bisulfate adduct. Okay, this is the reactions of what? Aldehydes and